Yo, y'all been asking me about the mentorship, and I'm already doing it for some people that want they want a contest. So since y'all keep asking me about it, if y'all serious, the mentorship is open. Go to the link in this video and click it, and you can sign up. I'm gonna explain it to y'all. It's gonna start out with 2 classes a week, every week for a month, and it's gonna be month to month. I don't have no other deal going. I'm gonna change it as time progresses if more people want it. So I see it's helping people, so I'll offer it. But let me let y'all know now. The signals, I'll probably start doing those too, but that'll be a little bit late. I'm not gonna do it all in one shot. I'm gonna give y'all time. I do want to do it just to help people, but I'd rather you kind of get the robots, because it's better if you take your own signals, do your own trading. Anyway, long story short, the mentorship is now open, so just click the link and sign up since y'all been asking me. I want to see how many of y'all gonna sign up since y'all been asking for it, and that's how it's gonna go. And it's gonna be a month to month thing. We'll see how it goes. What's up, everybody? So I'm gonna make this quick video to go over some stuff with y'all, because I get a lot of DMs now asking me pretty much the same things. So I figured, let me make a video and really talk to y'all for real about this from like a real perspective, not just for me being someone trying to sell you something, you trying to buy something, but just from a real trader perspective. I just want to talk to y'all. All right, so right now I want to go over the website. So let me go to TradeGameOfficial.com. Y'all know the website, right? Y'all know the website by now. Y'all should know it. I've been saying it for years. Some of y'all been following me for years. Anyway, let's go to the website. Let's let it load up. Okay. So when the website loads up, yeah, that's that handsome guy that be talking to y'all all the time. And yeah, so these are the services, you know, pretty much. And you should sign up for this, because if enough of y'all show interest, I'll try to offer you some kind of loyalty stuff through this, and I'm working on that. So sign up, just sign up. It's always going to be beneficial to you, not me, because if you spend the money, you're going to get something that's worth buying. But anyway, why am I here? Okay, so I'm here because I want to go over the software. I want to talk about the software prices, right? And then I'm going to get into some things in this video. And if you like what you see in this video, just know this video is going to be part of a private service that I offer. But for everyone watching this first video, it's free. Now, some of y'all looking at these prices and y'all say, hey, y'all message me or y'all leave comments and say, hey man, this stuff is expensive. And I get that, right? But I need y'all to understand something about the prices that y'all see. Like, let's pick something very expensive, right? Alright, let's say this item here, right? This Bankwell for $1,200. Yeah, that sounds like a lot to y'all, and I get it. It sounded like a lot to me when I started learning how to trade too. But you got to look at this as an investment. And what do I mean? Okay, let's Google designer sneakers and look at the price. Okay, Dolce and Gabbana. These are $900 for these sneakers, right? Now, if you go to my website, this is $800 for this software, this scanner. What's the difference between these sneakers and this scanner? The difference is, when you wear these sneakers, you're gonna look like you got money and you're gonna look fly. You purchase this scanner, you're investing in making money for the rest of your life. So I find it weird that some of y'all complain about these prices when on a day-to-day basis some of y'all are buying these things. And if you're not buying these things, like these designer sneakers and stuff like that, you know, let's just go to this Saks Fifth having 50% off sale, right? And look, they got the same offer I got. Sign up for a discount, right? Okay. Let's look at the sneakers. These Prada sneakers are $900. Look at these. These are just regular sneakers. You wear these once or twice, they're scuffed up, they're messed up. Now you got to try and keep a pair of these going, and you're investing now in sneakers. Okay. Granted, you might not wear these. You might wear some Nikes. Let's Google Nikes. Let's Google Nikes. Let's Google Jordans, right? Because that's what y'all ninjas really be liking. And now you get to the more practical side of life, right? So most of y'all wear these, and that's fine. Most of y'all wear the Jordans, right? Let's go to new releases. And let's say, okay, so you got these for $140, right? Okay, so why am I showing you these? These ain't really Jordans. These are Team Jordans, right? I want Jordans. I don't want these they trying to pull y'all in with these Jordans. I want the real big deals. You know, And I'm doing this off the cuff because I just want to show y'all something so y'all can really get an understanding of why y'all should really be careful how y'all spend your money, and just look at things a little different, man. Because some of y'all are interested in trading, and that means y'all should be interested in money. Okay, so now we got the real prices. You see how these are about $400 or $500. Now these are sneakers that y'all wear. A lot of my friends wear these sneakers, and believe it or not, I don't even wear these sneakers, and I can afford them, and I don't wear them ever. Like I don't spend this much money on clothes. I just don't. Sometimes I do, but when I do, it's because something's going on where I'm getting some kind of deal. Look at these. Look at these. Look at these. Okay. And pardon that phone in the back. Of course, I'm getting a call while I decided to do this. And just look at the price. Now, these are $2,000. So, would you rather pay for these? Because these look dope, don't get me wrong. But I'm not paying $2,000 for these when I could do something like this. And I can make an investment. And I'm just trying to show y'all, when y'all look at the price of these things, understand that. I want this to stop. This thing ain't going to stop either. So, I want y'all to look at these prices and understand this, because I'm sorry. That's what I hate about having this thing on, because it's just going to keep bringing. Let me see if I can stop it. Stop one. Alright, there we go. I stopped. I had to hang up on the person. Anyway, so when you look at these prices like this, you see these prices and go, hey, you know, this is something you're buying. This is a tool you're buying for the rest of your life. It's going to help you make money. So why would you buy something that as soon as you buy it, it's not of any value to you? So y'all guys got to understand that when y'all hit me up about the prices, and y'all be trying to, and then when I put it on sale, y'all don't buy it, and then y'all hit me up after the sales are over, and then be like, yo, like, see, this stuff is on sale. Why are you not getting the stuff that's on sale? Okay, but y'all hit me up soon as something's not on sale that's expensive. Y'all notice that, but when it's there on sale, y'all don't want it. But when I see y'all, this is what y'all be wearing. Okay, so I just want to take a moment to point out that y'all gotta start realizing life is about investing in the right things. A lot of people be wondering how I have certain things, and it's because I don't do stuff like this. I don't make these kind of purchases. You see, I don't buy stuff like this. And when I have stuff like this, it's because I did something for someone who owns a store or something, and they give me these type of things. So I don't, just because you see me with these type of things doesn't mean I pay for them. I would never in my right mind go into a store and pay $2,000 for sneakers. I just wouldn't do that. Even if I had $20 million. People say, oh, if you got it, you would. No, I wouldn't. Because I learned this from some rich old white people. That's not how you spend your money. Because like I said, when I worked in Macy's on 34th Street, a lot of rich people came in the area I worked in, because I worked in the fur vault as a security guard. I got paid way more money than regular security guards to protect fur coats, because people were coming in there and they were vandalizing the coats, the protesters, right? And I would see people come in there, and they would come in there and they would spend $10,000, $15,000, like nothing, and they would buy stuff that look name brand, like nameless. Like, this is the main shirt. Let me look it up. Izod golf shirts, because I actually like these type of shirts, and I like dressing like that as well. Let's go to Macy's, because that's where I work at. All right, let's go to Macy's. Okay, so let's go to Macy's. I just want to show y'all. Of course. Come on, man. Can y'all stop spamming me? Notice everyone does that, right? I'm sorry the video's dragging, but I want to talk to you. I want to take a second to talk to you. So you see, Izod has these suits and everything. I didn't even know they made suits. That's how much I don't pay attention. Izod has turned into all of that, huh? Let's go to men. Let's go to men. I don't know. I'm not finding what I'm looking for. Lacrosse is another one. What's the one? Let's just type in this. Let's get straight to it. Expensive golf shirt. High-end golf shirt. Amazon is going to be having some stuff from China. We already know that. Oh, they be wild. Yeah, see. As soon as I said that, look at the #1 shirt there. That's some shirt from China. This is stuff that you better not buy it. Anyway, let's just keep looking. Luxury golf shirt. Should I put in luxury golf shirt? Anyway, I really want to find what I'm looking for. As golf. Let's just put that. Okay, the prices must have went down because these are the shirts I'm talking about. They were buying these type of shirts and they were costing about 150, a little over $100, right? Nostrum would have it. Nostrum would definitely have it. Yeah, Nostrum will have it probably. Alright, so I don't know. Something's going on. Some people don't have it anymore. Anyway, long story short, because I'm dragging, I want to get this video done. These people would pay for these shirts and stuff in there, and the shirts would be there, and they would have no logo, no design on them, and they would, the shirts would be just plain shirts like this, like with no logo or anything on it, just like this right here. And they would be paying like $150, and I would, I'm a big dude, so people like to come and talk to me because they know that I'm doing my job. I'm standing, I'm securing the area, and they would speak to me and have casual conversations. And in the conversation, I would ask them, I'm like, hey man, why are you buying this shirt with no logo on it for so much? It's like it's a no frills shirt. They have $20 versions, which we see right here. They have $20 versions of these shirts downstairs. See, they have the cheap ones and then they have the expensive ones. Notice I can't find the expensive ones, but I promise you they have expensive ones. And I said, yeah, they got the $20 version of these. This is mine in like 99, 2000, what the year I'm talking about. And some of y'all was just born. And they would be like, oh, well, yeah, but if I buy that, I wouldn't like the material. I like the material in the more expensive version. And I'm like, okay, see, look, now the price changes right here. See, the price went up to about 100. See? The price changed on some of them. I saw it just now. You gotta find which one. But the price changed. Just to show y'all. The price did change. I saw it. Let me go back and I could show you. Where was it? Where was I? I just saw it. The price was different. Anyway. Yeah, it was. Matter of fact, it was on Amazon that I saw that, right? Was it not? Was it not on Amazon? It was on Amazon that I just saw that. Anyway, so they would tell me that they like the material, the more expensive brand, and I'm like, okay, cool, whatever, right? And they said that, okay, so why would you buy the more expensive brand if you could buy the cheap one? He said, because of the material. I said, so you don't mind spending that much money? He says, no, because if I spend this much money, people will think I have the one on that you're talking about. And I said, okay, that makes sense. And then they said, yeah, because I don't want people to. I said, so you're going to buy the one that looks cheap, but it's not cheap? He says, yes. He said, why would you do that? He says, because then people would know I have money if I buy the expensive one that looks expensive. And that blew my mind, because I'm like, yo, he would rather look like he didn't have the money than spending money to look like he got it. And what's the one thing that we do? We always spend money on things like these sneakers right here. We always want to buy the most expensive thing to look like we're doing well. And I realized that, yo, you got to start looking at this from that perspective. When you spend money on things like this, you're just making other people rich, right? What is it going to do for you? It's not going to benefit you once you spend that money. I mean, yeah, it's going to make you look important to people that don't have money, but what is it really going to do for you? Because people that got money are going to look at this and think, oh, you either just got money or you're somebody pretending like you got money. Because people who got money don't do this, guys. I'm telling y'all, they don't spend money this way. They spend money like this, and I know y'all don't want to hear it. They spend it like this. They make investments. They spend it on things that's going to try to return money to them or make them more money. And then this is definitely going to teach you something. Because when you buy these software, a lot of y'all keep asking, but when you buy the software, everyone who purchased it that you see in the Discord, who purchased it, that's like the testimony, living testimony. I don't have to make up anything and pretend like, hey man, get it and check you might get something or this might happen. No, you're gonna learn if you just get the software and stick with it. Definitely 100%. So I'm trying to find the Discord channel and the software to show it to you, just to glance over it real fast, just to show y'all, because I really want y'all to see some of the things that go on. I want y'all to see some of the things that go on. Where is it? I had it here. I got the Telegram. I see that. The Discord should be here as well, even though for some reason I don't see it. Oh, I see it. I see it now. Hold on. Let me slide it open so I can show it to y'all. Cause I definitely don't want to show y'all some of the stuff in there because it's just my personal stuff. But I want to be able to show y'all some of the stuff. Of course, it's not gonna let me now because you know how this thing is. This thing shows you what it wants to show you. It don't want to show this. Don't want to show. Anyway, long story short, if you go to the Discord, if you're in the Discord, you will see living testimonies to what's going on. And I feel like I don't have to really keep breaking my neck when you could just go see for yourself. Like, all it takes is for you to just join the Discord. It ain't like it's a huge amount of money. If you can't spend $10 to get in the Discord, I don't know what to tell y'all. Because some things, like, y'all just seem like y'all want everything handed to y'all. And that's the problem. And I talk about that. And I'm going to start talking about that a lot more on this channel. Because a lot of y'all take these things for granted. And like I said, then y'all see people winning, like in the Discord, and y'all want to know why. And the people that's winning, that's consistently showing results, are the people that came to me and they got the services. The people that are struggling are the people that's trying to be cheap. They're trying to get this for free. They're trying to do that. And they're pretty much doing this. They're doing this. They're trying to get these luxury sneakers, man. And it's not about the sneakers. It's about the investment. It's about how you're going to spend the money. And I really don't know what else to tell y'all at this point, because I see that is the issue with y'all. Because a lot of y'all be watching and y'all DM me privately about things that if you saw it and the opportunity was there, why you DMing me later about an opportunity you could have took when you had it? So I know there's things in life that happen, so I try to help y'all out and work with y'all. But at the end of the day, y'all have to learn, shoot your shots, stop waiting. All right. So now I'm getting ready to go to the I'm getting ready to put the news up in the Discord, the fundamental news for people to trade off of. And since that's happening, since that's gonna happen, I just want to go over it with y'all in this video, so y'all can see how I set up my trades for the week. I figured I'd show y'all that and give y'all something of value while y'all are here. Of course, everything just goes crazy when I'm trying to record videos. Oh, this is gonna be crazy this week. Wow. Okay. See, this thing is messing me up, man. Okay. Wow. Alright, so I like to go to my FX book, and the robots do have this coded into them, so that when y'all go to when y'all use the robots, 90% of the robots have this coded into them, so y'all could just understand right away that you can trade news off the robot literally by clicking buttons. A lot of y'all don't know that, right? Anyway, I haven't done it without signing in so long. What am I looking for? The economic calendar. That's what I'm looking for. Boom. Okay, so this is how I trade my news. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to go on the chart and show y'all some more. So the first thing you want to do is click on these settings. If you're here, later, get out of here. Click on these three little dots with these lines, and make sure you click high impact and unclick medium, low, and no impact. Because if you don't, it's going to give you a bunch of news that doesn't mean anything, that doesn't affect the pairs. And click apply. And then of course, also, if you got pairs that you're not interested in, you know, these are the major pairs. I'm just showing y'all, these are the major pairs. If you got a major pair that you're not interested in, just unclick it and it won't show you anything about that pair. So I like all the major pairs, so I'm gonna click apply, and boom. So we see that for Sunday there's news. So that means tonight it's going to be some kind of event. It's going to let you know when the time it's going to happen. So you know when you're trading a pair, you know when to avoid the news, right? You could put all this in a robot, by the way. Tomorrow it's going to be a lot of high impact news. I already cheated and looked on my phone. So Monday is going to have 13 high impact events. Why is this important? This lets you know that if there's many events happening tomorrow, it's going to be a lot of volatility in the market. So we're going to know that that's going to be a great day to get an entry, especially if you're swing trading or you want to get a big move. So if you're trading a pair that's slow, like the euro, let's just say you're trading the euro USD. Both of these have news tomorrow. So that means that when you see these this type of event, the euro USD is going to make a lot of moves tomorrow. So it's going to be a lot of volume in the pair. So if you enter on the side that the bank is trading, you're going to win. All right. And you just have to watch it and just look at the times. So look, you just look, they give you even more details when you click on it. I'm giving y'all this for free. I normally don't put this out for free, but I'm gonna show y'all. So this is how you know Monday is gonna be a good trading day. So we will see Tuesday, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, So we got 7 events for Tuesday. That means that we're gonna probably cool down a little Tuesday, but still 7 events is good enough. Like I said, if you trade the euro and the USD, that means that whatever move you catch on Monday, it's gonna still be going off Tuesday. Then you got Wednesday, and Wednesday, if you pay attention, if you're really looking, right, Wednesday is another good day because Wednesday is gonna have 11 events, and that means that we're gonna get more volume. So once again, you're trading the euro USD. You're going to be able to swing trade that thing all the way from Monday, Tuesday, into Wednesday with volume. And then look, Thursday, if you go down to Thursday, I'm just triggering on this one pair because that pair moves very slow. The euro usually gives anywhere between 40 to 80 pips a day. And with this kind of volume, you can get 80 pips or more on a regular day because of this. Now, if you look at Thursday, it's still happening. Okay, so we see that euro and the USD still have news. So I mean, this pair is going to be going crazy all week. Look at Friday. It's still got news. So the euro USD is going to be a great pair to trade next week. That's a pair that I don't always trade, but I trade it on weeks like this. So that means that the euro USD, I'm expecting some trades next week. Okay, so I'm going to be trying to enter some trades tomorrow, Sunday night, which is the time of me recording. It's Sunday morning. I'm going to be looking to enter some trades. Okay, I'm going to be looking to get into some trades. And I just wanted to show y'all that's how that works. Okay, so that's kind of how I do it. And I'm gonna go over to the chart. I know this video is kind of long, but I want to give y'all all, give y'all some good gems. So I'm gonna go over to the chart now. I'm gonna go over to the chart. I'm gonna turn off the websites, and now we're gonna go over to the chart, and I'm gonna explain the silver trade, and I'm gonna go look at euro and all of that. Okay, so right now on this silver trade, let me go to silver because that's where I'm at. All right, and the market is not open. I'm just showing you the trades I'm holding. When I look at the silver trade, it's kind of obvious what I did. I'll zoom in. I waited for the candle to close and break under. It broke under my moving average cloud that I have here, right? And it's a simple formation. I took the sell. Now for the fair value gap traders, I had already entered, but that's only because my moving averages are better than the gap that this created. Okay, so just to give y'all a quick understanding, y'all can trade the fair value gaps. As you see, they work. The buy sib and the sib buy that you see on the chart, those are fair value gaps. These work. Now here's the deal though, I entered before it because it's just simply a better strategy. So that means you get a better entry. It doesn't mean that this doesn't work. Okay, so don't feel bad, because had you had this, you would have entered here. You would have entered around here. And that's kind of why fair value gaps to me aren't that great, because you need to be trading these on a lower time frame, and I like to trade them on a 1 hour. So even though it created this gap, all this is confluence that I'm going to sell. And yes, I'm showing you the robot because I want y'all to see how it works. But just to show y'all how automation does help with your trading. You could have did this on the naked chart, sure. You could have ended here on the naked chart, but like I said, I wait for my confluences to match. So as soon as I saw the candle break, I ended the trade. The robot took the trade too, and the fair value gap was created. And these are just two confluences that the silver's selling. Now here's the thing about it, and why I move my stop loss into take profit. I'm not 100% sure if silver is selling completely, because the one thing about trading in the market, y'all need to understand, for those who don't know, is when you trade, right, you got to go with the trend. And if you're against the trend, you're kind of like you sweating, you know what I mean? You could scalp and do that, but I'm not too much of a scalper, so I'll try to follow the trend until the trend gives me confluences that it reversed. Right now we got the confluence right here from this little target on my trading system that it reversed. It officially did it, and this is a move that I teach in the mentorship. This happened and boom, we sold there, but we got in on the second one. It's okay, but I teach people how to catch this move. Once you catch this move, you're good. It's officially trending in a downtrend. I'm not gonna break it down in this video, but for the mentorship I break it down more. Anyway, but yeah, we got 3 confluences. 1, the robot literally took the trade. 2, and then the fair value gap 3. And this is not a system completely, but I just use these as confluences for trend direction. And then we got the other confluence that I taught y'all, the lower low. See what I'm saying? Once you see the lowest low, and you see the newest low is low too, that's letting you know that, yeah, the trend changed. Okay, so what I'm waiting to see is for silver to go to this point right here. I'm waiting to see this point, which is 30.0226. I can't believe I'm saying that silver's in the 30s, y'all. Wow. So anyway, I'm waiting for it to hit this level 30.30. Let's just say right there, and I'm waiting to see if it's gonna break, because if it breaks there, we're going back into the 2020 range, which is crazy. Look at this. Look all the way to the left, how we caught this buy right here, right? Look at what happened on that buy. Look, and this is what I mean about investments. Even if you don't trade with the robot guys, this is a good investment to have, because you can see what the price is doing. You see what I'm saying? You can see what price is doing at all times. So I don't get why y'all would even not want to have this in your arsenal just to help you with your trading. A lot of people on the internet, they want to tell you these things don't work and that don't work and this don't work, and that's fine. But at the end of the day, why you want to make it harder for yourself? You can invest in something that's going to help you, and you're going to be like the people in the Discord that's posting all they passed 5 challenges, 10 challenges. Dudes came to me with no way of trading, and they're passing 5 and 10 challenges. One guy posted he passed 3 challenges in one day, yo. You see, so I don't understand why y'all be making this harder than what it gotta be. So I just wanted to make this video to show y'all it's not that complicated, and also to tell y'all one last thing before I end the video. I created the Discord so y'all can have a place to come and be around traders without the BS, without them trying to show you a Lambo so that you spend money on things and then they can't get back to you because they're too busy and all this other crap. And this is not to hate on nobody, because I really don't got time to worry about what they're doing and this and that and who's lying to you, who's stealing from you. The bottom line is I created a community for y'all to come where y'all could just be around real traders that's really trading, and honestly trading consistently, because I think that's the key. I think finding a trader that's consistently trading and being profitable is very important for you to be around, because you're going to pick up those habits. And I'm telling y'all that because that's what you want. You want to be able to pick up good habits and not be around bad habits, okay? So hopefully this video is going to be helpful to y'all about how y'all invest your money, because of course, anybody that tells you this and they try to get you to spend money without saying they're not a financial advisor, it's wrong. So I'm gonna let y'all know that now. I'm not telling y'all how to spend your money, what to do. I'm just telling you what I think is the wise thing to do if I was in the position of somebody that wanted to make some money from trading. Okay, so y'all gotta sacrifice a little of going out, sacrifice a little of spending money on fancy stuff and garbage that is not gonna hold any kind of value once you purchase it, and try to spend some of that money more towards investments, like buying actual gold and silver. You see silver's at 30 an ounce, right? That's crazy. Silver's at $30 an ounce. Like I remember when silver was at $17 and the high was like $20, and I was like, damn, this thing ain't never gonna leave this $20, $24, $25. Look, now we're in the 30s. And like my mentor told me, people get rich in wars. And crypto and metals and anything where people could put their money outside of the dollar is gonna move. So right now is the time to be trading it, because once everything calms down, if it ever does really calm down, because it's been wild for a couple years now, if inflation and all that stuff calm down, these pairs will start ranging and it will be hard to trade. So I will give you one word of advice, because when I started learning how to trade, pairs were ranging and things were just not really going well. And then we had the whole Trump situation in the US, and I won't get into politics, but that caused a lot of volatility in the market, a lot of uncertainty, and it made opportunities for people to become really good at trading, because the market started trending a lot more, because the market was ranging 70% of the time when I learned how to trade. Now it's not doing it as bad, okay? So take what you want from this video, but I figured I'd give it to y'all just to help y'all to make the right decisions in life, man, because I see a lot of y'all DMing me, and a lot of y'all DM me the same exact stuff, and I'm not saying it's y'all fault, because life is lifing for a lot of us, but at the end of the day, like, just know that you gotta really determine how you want to spend your money when you get it. You know what I mean? I had what I had on there. I had the layaway stuff on there. I had the payment plans on there. I came up with a million ways to help y'all, and then y'all still be like, yo, that thing was on sale, I wanted it, what happened? It was on sale. You literally said it was on sale. You know what I mean? And I do that to try and help y'all, because these products be costing me a lot of money to make, and I do that because I be trying to help y'all get it. Because what's the point of having something that's going to work and you just keeping it? Because people say, oh, if it don't work, why are you selling it? If it work, why are you keeping it? You know what I'm saying? So why would you try to keep something good to yourself? Like, you want people to be like, yo, I agree, this thing is heat, this thing is fire. And like I said, once again, go to the website, go to the Telegram group, go to the Trustpilot. It ain't a lot of reviews, but it's reviews from people that's in the Discord. Go to the Discord. Like, there's a lot of sources for y'all to go and see that this stuff is good. And at the end of the day, at the very least, it's going to be extremely helpful. And the fact that it's helpful is very important. You know what I mean? Like, it's a very powerful piece of information that's going to help you with your trading at the end of the day, at the very least. So I'm in the video here. Hopefully everybody could get to where they need to be with the trading, but I just wanted to make this to talk to y'all, those of y'all that's DMing me that, because it's crazy. Also, one last thing for those who made it to the end, I don't DM nobody first. I don't ignore DMs. So if you DM me, I'm going to respond to you, but I don't just go out DMing people talking about, yo, try this out, this is something I'm selling, and try to solicit business that way, because you know, you might get scammed like that. So I keep getting the messages about people impersonating me. I keep my crypto stuff to myself. I don't really talk publicly about my crypto unless I'm talking about crypto trades. People messaging y'all talking about investments and all that. I don't do stuff like that. And if I do it, I'm going to make a video so you could publicly see me saying it, so that you know it's legit when I do DM you. I'm going to announce that, hey, I'm going to be hitting y'all up about this and that, and y'all know it's me. Because anybody talking about crypto and stuff, Telegram, WhatsApp, and I'm not knocking it, because some people are legit. I know some people that's legit through WhatsApp and Telegram, but however, these people are making it so that if anything happens, you can't reach them or find them. I know people personally that they deal with people through these channels because if they want to bounce, they could bounce. You know what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind when y'all you know, when y'all trying to deal with people. If they're dealing with you through these shady little apps and stuff, man, just be leery of that. Just be leery of that, man. Be very leery of that, because some of y'all, it seems like y'all don't really get that. Alright, so I think I can end the video here, right? I think I'm good enough. I think we good enough. What do y'all think? Is there anything left? I kind of don't want to keep making videos. I want to take a little break from the videos and stuff too. So I just want to make sure. I'm thinking. Yeah, so I pretty much went over everything, but I just wanted to definitely go over the sneaker thing with y'all, man, because y'all with them sneakers, man, that don't be making no sense. Oh, okay, that works. Got a subscriber. I need to get I don't know what's up with the subscriptions, man. Them things, I feel like my channel will be growing for crap. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, and you know, I'm gonna put the news in the Discord, and this is gonna be a series that I start doing where I go over some strategies with y'all, but I'm gonna do it in private. I'm definitely gonna. I don't want this publicly on YouTube because I don't want to talk to the public about it, because these people don't be knowing how to trade for nothing, in my opinion, and I'm not gonna be helping them, because I notice what I do put out, they be people be stealing stuff on here. But anyway, I don't want to sound delusional and talk about it. The bottom line is, yeah, if you like this video or this type of content, I'm gonna probably open a mentorship. I decided I'm gonna open a mentorship where I do 2 classes a week. I'm gonna start out with 2. I'm gonna try to build it up, and the price is gonna be fair. And you know, you'll be in the Discord with me, and we'll vote for the classes, and we'll do the classes, and y'all can start signing up for it. It'll be a monthly thing. And I'm gonna be putting these strategy videos in here for the week, like what I'm looking at, what pairs I'm looking at, what I think is gonna happen. And I may open the signals and add that service, and you know, add some service. I may do it because y'all be messaging me, but we'll see, because I don't want to get into it, because when you post those trades and those trades don't work, people are gonna be mad about it. And the problem with that is that people are going to not understand. And what people don't understand about giving signals, which I had to explain to a signal provider once, people are not going to be able to take every trade. Okay, cool. People are not going to be able to take every trade, so that if they only take, like, let's say I give out 10 trades and you only take 3, and I lost 4 trades that week, and you happen to take 3 of the four losing trades, and you didn't get none of the 6 winning trades, you're going to be mad. And that's the part about signals that I kind of be looking at, where I'm at, because I see somebody going through that now, another trader that he calls himself the best this and the best that, He lost 13 trades in a row, and I'm like, but then he says, oh, but I'm in profit for the month. And this is where that mistake happens, where people don't understand. And I could tell you this because I used to buy signals all the damn time and not make no money, right? I know that because I would miss the winning trades, like the big good ones that they would be in the group talking, yo, I'm in this trade for 10 days. Yeah, I was not in that trade. I was in the other 3 that you just lost. So I didn't make no bread. So that's kind of the part of signals that I have to make sure people understand that part. If you're not catching all the trades, that's going to be on you. And that's not my fault. So I'm trying to figure out, do I want to offer that service where you could just copy all the trades? You get what I'm saying? Like with a trade copier type system. I'm not sure yet. So I'm going to see, because I feel like that's doing too much too. Because if I do all of that, right, then I definitely got to charge some stupid money. And people already be like, oh, well, why it cost this, why it cost that? I'm like, because it's an investment. So I would determine. I might just do regular signals and you catch them if you catch them. But you know, like I said, this is my signals group right here. If people was in it, they would have caught the silver trade right here too. You know, so straight is nice, little 50 pips going crazy, right? Now if this continue to go down, the trade gonna be even more crazy. But anyway, I talked long enough. This video is extremely long. Let me end it here. Y'all be good. I'm out of here. Peace.